Welcome to our channel dedicated to expanding your Welsh vocabulary. Whether you're planning a visit to Wales, connecting with Welsh heritage, or simply love languages, mastering Welsh words and phrases can enrich your experience. In today's video, we'll explore essential vocabulary for everyday conversations, cultural insights, and practical tips to help you retain what you learn. By the end, you'll have a growing repertoire of Welsh words to confidently use in your conversations. So, let's dive into the vibrant world of Welsh vocabulary together.
Anifail fferm, anifail fferm.
Farm animal.
Anifeiliaid fferm, anifeiliaid fferm.
Farm animals.
Buwch, buwch.
Cow.
Byw, byw.
Bull.
Buwchod, buwchod.
Cows.
Mochyn, mochyn.
Pig.
Moch, moch.
Pigs.
Defaid, defaid.
Sheep.
Defaid, defaid.
Sheep.
Asyn, asyn.
Donkey.
Asynod, asynod.
Donkeys.
Ceffyl, ceffyl.
Horse.
Ceffylau, ceffylau.
Horses.
Hwyaden, hwyaden.
Duck.
Hwyaid, hwyaid.
Ducks.
Gwydd, gwydd.
Goose.
Gwyddod, gwyddod.
Geese.
Twrci, twrci.
Turkey.
Twrcod, twrcod.
Turkeys.
Colomen, colomen.
Pigeon.
Colomen, colomen.
Pigeons.
Iar, iar.
Chicken.
Iar, iar.
Chickens.
Ceiliog, ceiliog.
Rooster.
Ceiliogod, ceiliogod.
Roosters.
Cwningen, cwningen.
Rabbit.
Cwningenod, cwningenod.
Rabbits.
Cath, cath.
Cat.
Cathod. Cathod.
Cats.
Ci, ci.
Dog.
Cŵn, cŵn.
Dogs.
Alpaca, alpaca.
Alpaca.
Alpaca, alpaca.
Alpacas.
Lama, lama.
Llama.
Lamaod, lamaod.
Llamas.
Geifr, geifr.
Goat.
Geifr, geifr.
Goats.
Diolch am wylio.
Thank you for watching. We hope you've enjoyed diving into the Welsh language with us today. Remember, practice makes progress, so keep immersing yourself in Welsh, whether through conversations, music, or exploring more of Wales' rich culture. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more language learning tips and resources. Until next time.
Hwyl fawr.
Goodbye.